Now, Tawatur basically means that so many people around the world, so many people have read, recited, explained the Quran in a certain way that it is intellectually, it is impossible to believe that all these millions and billions of people had gathered on a lie. It is just impossible for everyone all around the world, different cultures, different races, different societies, different countries, different tribal people, different linguistic people, to then recite the whole Quran exactly as is, and all to agree upon a single lie. It is just impossible for it to happen. That is the power of Tawatur. Now in Hadith, we have a sanad, meaning that there is a chain of narrations. That this person heard from this person, and then this person heard from this person, and so on and so forth. It goes all the way up. But when it comes to the Quran, there's no specific sanad. There's no chain of narrations. So the Quran entirely is transmitted through so many people, and it is impossible for them to agree upon a single lie, which makes Tawatur so strong and authentic as a dalil, as an evidence in itself, that no one, it doesn't matter who you are, to reject it. And if someone says, I still reject it, that this is not the same word or the same book which has come to us through the 1400 plus years from Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam till today, we would say that having this mentality is pure stupidity, because you are denying Tawatur, and to deny that, it does not make any sense. To give it in single term, is that those people who have not been to a certain country, so let's pick any country, for example the United States, and I've never been to the US. So if I say that I do not agree that USA is a country at all, I think it's just a made up fiction, it's just a story, people will say that that's stupidity. And if I say that I don't believe it because I haven't seen it, people will say just because you haven't seen it, it doesn't make it untrue, because of the fact that there's Tawatur on this, that there are millions of people around the world who have been to US and have said that the country's name is United States of America, and they all say it the same, they all pronounce the same, all stories are the same, that yes, there's cities, there's place, there's Washington, there's DC, there's New York and its place, and they all describe it in the exact same way, that for me to deny it just makes me look like a fool, and it would hold no value regardless of what I say or what oaths I take or what propagandas I make. It holds no merit.